So 'tis the season, and of course I have a cold, but that's just the way it goes. I have Chef Alana Peckham helping us get through the Christmas, New Year season by doing some canapes.
Yes, some party canapes.
Perfect.
Quick and easy to do. Have your prep done ahead of time. Fancy, entertaining.
Perfect.
For that voice,
you can look
though,
fancy. I know. You know what do you do?
A glass of hot water. Mix
Yes.
in a bit of honey, lemon, ginger if you like ginger.
Okay.
And then a tablespoon of flax oil.
So then I won't sound like my dad anymore. Awesome. That's awesome. So phyllo pastry.
Phyllo pastry.
Half butter, half flax.
Yes, so again, people are often intimidated by phyllo, whether it's working with it or consuming it, because it is a finicky pastry. It dries out, it cracks. They're scared to eat it because of how much butter goes into it.
Sure.
So what we're doing is 50 butter, 50 Alligga flax oil.
Okay, perfect.
So you brush it onto one side. I fold mine over so I don't have to work with such a big board.
Okay.
And essentially, I like to make sure I get 4 layers of phyllo total.
Perfect. And then it's as simple as just baking it off after that.
That's it. You bake it off afterwards. And what I like about the phyllo for a canape is that it can be sweet, it can be savory. It is really whatever you fill it with is up to you.
And you know what's wonderful is that you can get through the holiday season and enjoy really good food that's actually healthy for you.
That's
and you're
got health
sneaking it in by
benefits.
doing some of the flax in it.
That's right. And so
Perfect.
I cut my sheet into little squares that will fit perfectly into a mini muffin cup.
Okay.
You just want to press them right in like that.
How long are you baking it off for?
You're going to bake it off for about 10 to 12 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit until it's a beautiful color like this.
Perfect.
And then from here, like I mentioned, we can fill with whatever it is you like. We're going to fill with a goat cheese mix today, as well as a sweet lemon curd.
Now, can you incorporate some of your flax oil into the goats, for example?
Yes, so the goat's mix does have the flax oil in it.
Oh, it does, perfect.
It's got a mix of shallots and garlic that were sauteed in the Alligga flax oil, then blended with fresh herbs, goat cheese, and a little sour cream.
If you want more information on any of Alligga's recipes, and of course, Alana, you like to tweet and talk about different stuff online as well.
That's right.
What's your Twitter handle again?
Twitter handle, I believe, is at...
Can't say I believe.
it's Alana Peckham.
There you go. She always does this. It's her name. Or at Alligga as well. Alana, thanks so much for being on the show. You're going to be back
Thank
later
you.
on to do some more cooking with us.
That we will.
Perfect.
Woo.